Let's cut the tomfoolery. Astrology is nonsense. But here's the cold, hard truth. Women don't just believe in this stuff. They structure their entire romantic lives around it. And if you're smart, you'll use that to your advantage. This isn't about you buying into zodiac signs. This is about manipulating her belief system so she sees you as the perfect cosmic match. Think of it like psychological warfare, except instead of guns and propaganda, you're using Mercury retrogrades and moon signs to get exactly what you want. By the time you finish this guide, you'll know how to mirror her ideal astrological partner without changing who you really are. Use her own superstitions to justify your bad behavior, ghosting, commitment issues, blame the stars. Make her emotionally dependent on your cosmic energy, so she rationalizes your flaws as fate. Let's begin. Women don't just like astrology, they need it. Why? Because it gives them an illusion of control in an unpredictable dating world. Instead of admitting that attraction is chaotic, they cling to zodiac compatibility like a security blanket. Your advantage. If you speak her astrological language, she'll project all kinds of mystical meaning onto your actions. A simple text becomes cosmic synchronicity. A one-night stand becomes soulmate energy. Normally, if you're emotionally unavailable, flaky, or manipulative, she'd call you out. But if you blame your sign, suddenly it's not your fault. It's just how Scorpios, Sags, or Geminis are. I'm not ghosting you, babe. My Aquarius moon makes me need space. I'm not jealous. It's just my Taurus Venus being possessive. I didn't cheat. My Aries Mars just craves excitement. See how this works? Ever notice how women will date obvious losers but say, it's okay, he's a Pisces, they're just misunderstood? That's your opening. If she believes the stars justify her attraction, she'll ignore your flaws. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Feed their ego or die trying. These women need to feel like goddesses. Your job? Be the priest at their altar. Aries, from March 21st to April 19th. What she wants is a rival lover who keeps her on her toes. How to play her, challenge her, playfully, then let her win. Tease her, then pull back. She'll chase you like a conquest. And for the exit strategy, just say we're too similar, two fire signs just burn each other out. Leo, from July 23rd to August 22nd. What she wants is a hype man who worships her publicly. How to play her, post her on Instagram, brag about her to friends, then when she's hooked, withdraw attention. She'll panic and chase. For the exit strategy, tell her, you need someone who can match your spotlight. My Capricorn moon is too low-key. Sagittarius, from November 22nd to December 21st. What she wants is a free spirit who won't cage her. How to play her, pretend you're allergic to commitment. Talk about backpacking through Asia someday. She'll see you as her ultimate test. And for the exit strategy, just ghost. She'll blame it on her restless Sag energy. Earth signs like Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, they crave a fantasy of stability. These women are looking for a reliable man, so what's your move? Well, fake maturity until you get what you want. So what does a Taurus woman want? A provider who spoils her. How to play her, take her to expensive dinners, but, split the bill later. Talk about future plans, but keep it vague. And your exit strategy? Say something like, my Gemini Venus needs more spontaneity. Virgo, born between August 23rd and September 22nd. What does she want? A self-improvement project. How to play her. Pretend you're working on yourself. Mention therapy, gym routines, and healing. She'll fall for the potential. And for the exit strategy, tell her you deserve someone who's already perfect. My chaotic Scorpio Mars ruins everything. Capricorn, December 22nd to January 19th. What she wants? A man with goals. How to play her, name drop your side hustle. Talk about investing. Then, when she expects results, blame Saturn's lessons. Exit strategy. We're too focused on careers right now. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, play mind games better than they do. These women think they're too smart for manipulation. Prove them wrong. What she wants, a mental sparring partner. How to play her, mirror her personality. If she's quirky, be quirkier. If she's intellectual, debate her. She'll bond over shared traits. Exit strategy. We're too alike. It's like dating myself. Libra, born between September 23rd and October 22nd. What she wants is a romantic who understands her. How to play her. Gaslight her with fake empathy. Saying, "You're so misunderstood" is like catnip to her. And for the exit strategy, just say, "We're too balanced. I need chaos." Aquarius, born between January 20th and February 18th. What she wants is a rebel who challenges norms. How to play her. Say things like, "Maybe monogamy is a capitalist construct." Watch her rationalize your less than committed behavior. And when it's time to leave, just say, "We're too ahead of our time." Water signs, including Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, are all about exploiting their emotional neediness. These women are painfully easy to manipulate if you fake depth. What she wants, a wounded soul to heal. How to play her. Trauma dump early. She'll mistake oversharing for vulnerability and try to fix you. Exit strategy. I don't want to burden you anymore. Scorpio, October 23rd to November 21st. What she wants, a mysterious bad boy. How to play her. Drop cryptic hints about your dark past. She'll obsess over decoding you. Exit strategy. Our connection is too intense. It's destroying me. What she wants, a poetic soulmate. How to play her. Whisper, "We must have been lovers in a past life." She'll drown in fantasy. Exit strategy. I'm not spiritual enough for you. Blame Mercury retrograde for everything. Ghosting. My texts weren't sending. Flaking. The universe told me not to go out. Cheating. The planets were misaligned. Learn her Venus sign, how she loves, and Mars sign, how she fucks. Then, if her Venus is in Leo, pamper her until she's dependent on your attention. If her Mars is in Scorpio, play mind games to keep her addicted to your intensity. When you're done, hit her with, "Our synastry chart says we're doomed. My Saturn return is coming. I need to focus on myself. The stars say we're better as friends." Astrology is a scam, but her belief in it is your cheat code. Use it to get laid by playing her ideal cosmic match. Keep her hooked by reframing your flaws as zodiac traits. Escape guilt-free by blaming the universe. The stars won't judge you, so why should you? Now go out there and take advantage of her delusion.